Yeah, I have this vision that 1,000 years after there's a nuclear explosion, some Martians will come down to Earth and uncover, they'll see a big mound of vines growing in this backyard. Of course, all humanity will be gone, and they'll uncover all these vines, and then lo and behold, under it, they're going to discover this huge icon, you know. Now, if you just walk all the way up to the sensorama and stick your eyes up to the lenses, you'll discover just what the sensorama can do.
Sabina, my dream girl, please come for a ride. A date with Sabina would be all I need. She makes me so happy, so light and so free. Riding our bicycles down on a hill. Sharing the wind with you gives me a thrill. Time is too short, please don't tease away the day. Dancing and splashing are games you like to play. Running and hiding, but not too hard to find. Sabina, 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 won't you please be mine?
It was certainly easy to understand what the objective was. The objective was to let an observer immerse himself inside a computed image. This head-mounted display device, it has two CRTs mounted in these cylinders at the back with the wires coming out in the back. And then there's a lens arrangement, and the thing in front of the user's eyes is a half-silvered mirror embedded in a prism. So he sees superimposed on the world around him, he sees the cathode ray tube images. One of the things that we would ask an observer to do is line yourself up with the edges of one of these cubes and look at the letter edge on and tell us how far inside the cube it is. And sure enough, observers could easily enough move their head to the right position to get an edge-on view of one of the edges of the cube and observe that the letter was slightly inside. There were problems with the head-mounted display equipment that we got. It was heavy. It had, as I recall, a 25 or 30 degree field of view, which wasn't enough. It gave you a feeling of tunnel vision. It was monochrome, of course, and in those days, the notion of a raster display had yet to be invented, and so it was a calligraphic or a line drawing display. So the images that we showed were transparent wireframe images and consequently not very realistic.